Do you know what foods to avoid if you have an enlarged prostate? Welcome to Cam and Medicine. In the course of this video, we'll be exploring the role that diet plays in maintaining and improving your prostate condition. We'll be walking you through 8 foods that might be doing more harm than good, and a few lifestyle changes that can make a world of difference. Stay tuned to find out which foods you should steer clear of for better prostate health. The first food to be wary of is soy. Soy, often hailed as a healthful alternative, can be a double-edged sword for those with an enlarged prostate. This is due to its high content of phytoestrogens. These plant-based compounds mimic the hormone estrogen in your body, which can disrupt the hormonal balance necessary for optimal prostate health. From soy milk to tofu, these products can pose a risk if consumed in large quantities. So think twice before you reach for that soy-based product. Next on the list are caffeine, red meat, and processed meats. These are common components of many of our favorite meals, but they might not be the best friends of our prostate. Caffeine, for instance, can cause an increase in urinary frequency and urgency, which are symptoms often associated with an enlarged prostate. So while that cup of coffee might be a morning ritual, it may be worth considering other alternatives. Now let's talk about red meat. Regular consumption of red meat has been linked to prostate inflammation, a condition that can exacerbate prostate issues. And what about processed meats? They're often high in sodium and preservatives, which can also contribute to inflammation. So, while that bacon cheeseburger might be calling your name, it's important to remember that a diet heavy in these foods can potentially worsen prostate conditions. Try to limit your intake of these foods for the sake of your prostate. Alcohol or beer, high-fat foods, and high sodium are also foods to avoid. Now let's discuss the why. Alcohol, especially beer, similarly to caffeine, is also known to stimulate the production of urine, which can exacerbate symptoms of an enlarged prostate. High-fat foods, on the other hand, can contribute to weight gain. This excess weight puts pressure on the prostate, causing discomfort and potentially worsening the condition. High-fat foods, especially those with saturated fats, may contribute to inflammation. And then we have high-sodium foods, which can increase blood pressure and heighten the risk of urinary tract symptoms commonly associated with an enlarged prostate. Inflammation, a key factor in prostate enlargement, is also known to be aggravated by these foods. So it's wise to keep these off your plate, or at least limit their consumption. It's not about completely eliminating these foods, but more about mindful eating and maintaining a balanced diet. And remember, moderation is key. Next, we will explore dairy products, carbonated beverages, and sugary foods or artificial sweeteners. Then later in the video, we will give 3 lifestyle changes that can improve your prostate. Let's continue. Avoiding too much dairy products, carbonated beverages, and anything with high levels of sugar or artificial sweeteners. Now, you might be wondering why. Well, the reason is that these foods can contribute to weight gain and inflammation, both of which can aggravate an enlarged prostate. Starting with dairy, items like milk, cheese, and butter are high in fat and can lead to weight gain. They can also cause inflammation in some people, which is something you want to avoid if you're dealing with an enlarged prostate. Moving on to carbonated beverages, these are often loaded with sugar or artificial sweeteners. The issue here is that these drinks can spike your blood sugar levels, leading to weight gain and inflammation. Lastly, foods with high levels of sugar or artificial sweeteners can cause similar issues. They can lead to weight gain, cause inflammation, and even disrupt your hormone balance. Avoid these foods as much as possible for better prostate health. Before we move on, consider subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones. Now that we've covered the foods to avoid, let's discuss lifestyle changes that can improve your condition. Leading a healthy lifestyle is just as crucial as maintaining a balanced diet, especially when it comes to prostate health. Consider losing weight if you're overweight. Extra weight not only puts pressure on your prostate, but also increases inflammation in your body. Regular exercise, on the other hand, not only helps with weight loss, but also boosts your overall health. It keeps your heart healthy, improves your mood, and yes, it's excellent for your prostate too. And let's not forget about smoking. The harmful toxins in cigarettes can exacerbate prostate problems. So if you're a smoker, it's time to kick the habit. Remember, these aren't just momentary adjustments, but long-term commitments. They're about making choices that prioritize your health every day. Incorporate these lifestyle changes into your routine for improved health and well-being. Your health journey is personal, and you're not alone. Small changes can make a big difference, and the first step is always the hardest. But once you take that step, you're on your way to better health. Also remember, the advice provided in this video is for educational purpose and is not meant to replace professional medical care. Remember, your health is in your hands. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching. And as always, take care until next video.